Are you wondering how to make the most tax-efficient decision when it comes to paying for long-term care for a loved one? If so, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Stephen Crawford with Clarity Wealth for today's Friday Fireside Chat. We just helped a client earlier this week who's paying for their mother's care in an assisted living facility. As a result of that, she has very high itemized deductions due to her care. So as we're planning for a strategy to pay for that care, we're looking where there are assets in which have an embedded tax liability inside of them. Because in years where you have very large itemized deductions, we can offset the tax liability in those accounts that have the hidden tax liability to both pay for care and get rid of a tax liability that's going to have to be paid at some point, whether it's by mom or maybe it's her heirs. So when it comes to tax planning, that's the goal of it, is going, how do we use opportunities where we can to both service the financial needs while also either mitigating or completely eliminating a tax liability in another account that you have. If you have questions about how to make sure you're making the most tax efficient decisions, give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Hope this video has been helpful. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye.